Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and today I'm going to redraw Goku Super Saiyan 3 Blue from 2018. This drawing is really not that bad and the idea behind it is actually great. The proportions are on point, just the biceps are way too big and the face is a bit too small. The coloring is okay, the aura is very simple, the lightning is the worst part in my opinion. Still, it's a great drawing and today we will see how much I've improved in 4 years. Let's jump right into it guys. This was planned to be a serious sketch actually, but later on I decided to use this as a warm-up. I was planning to give Goku the same pose, just making it a bit more dynamic, and I wanted him to have a different face expression with one eye closed because of all the pain. I thought that would look real badass. As you can see, I am figuring out the pose and the proportions. The sketch is way more messy than usual as I'm drawing this pretty much from the mind. I was improving and adjusting a lot on the sketch as I really wanted this drawing to be perfect. Somehow I was really motivated. And guys, this one is not a commission, so prints are available. Finally I was done with the sketch and I really liked it. Goku looks amazing and for the inking I wanted to go wild once again, but first huge improvements. To use color pencils for my recent drawings. These are giving the drawing a lot more characters always battle damaged, and it's kinda true. But come on guys, Dragon Ball characters, especially if they are drawn in this style with huge muscles and dark shades, they have to be battle damaged. It just makes them look 10 times more powerful. For the lightning, I choose to keep it white and outline them very preciously with a blue colored pencil. And for the aura, I'm using lots of different blue color tones to create a nice contrast. Now adding the last details to the drawing, and that's it guys. Goku Super Saiyan 3 Blue redrawn from 2018. I have to say I'm really happy with how this one turned out. The proportions are perfect, the hair looks amazing, the line art is on point, the coloring is very eye-catchy and defined, and the aura is powerful. And comparing it to the old drawing, we can see a huge difference, not only in the quality of the drawing, but also the drawing style has changed a lot. The new one is much more dynamic, and to make it short, I think the new one beats the old one in every area. What do you think guys? You like the old or the new drawing better? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will also upload this one in full time on my real-time drawing channel, so check me out there as well. Prints of this drawing will be available, and for commissions message me on Instagram. All the links you can find in the info box below. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next